Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a review on L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil. I'm very excited to share my review with you all. This one is a hair serum that is suitable for all hair types. Before going to share my experience with this product, let's see the product claims. They have given the claims on the package. It says it is a blend of 6 rare flower extract oils: chamomile, sunflower, lotus, tiare, rose flax. It gives an exceptional nourishment. It says your hair feels smooth and lightweight with a non-greasy finish. And it also says it has a oriental sunny fragrance. It says it can be used in many ways, like you can use it before shampoo, before drying and also before styling. You can use this hair serum in your daily routine like a finishing touch or as an overnight treatment. So these are the claims of this product. So guys, this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil has finally launched in India. It was only available in international markets before. I have been eagerly waiting to try this product. This product is one of a kind and many international influencers have loved it. So before going to show the consistency of the product, let's see the packaging. You can see it comes in a beautiful cardboard packaging. As you can see, this serum is beautifully packed in a golden orange colored glass bottle with a cream colored plastic flip-flop cap. So with the use of this flip-flop cap, you can easily take the required amount of product. Guys, you can see this serum is in transparent color. Though it's an oil, it's really non-sticky. The fragrance of this serum is really nice. There is no need to apply perfume after using this. It's really that great. Now coming to my personal experience with this serum. Guys, generally my hair type is wavy and sometimes dry. If I do excessive styling, then it is prone to breakage. I use this serum in many different ways. I apply this serum on my hair before styling. And also I use it as an overnight treatment. It really works wonders. I'll just take some amount of this serum onto my palm and apply this serum all over the hair except the roots. I leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning. After washing, my hair feels so soft, smooth and frizz-free. And I also notice that it makes my hair look healthy and nourished. I also use this serum on my dry hair. It adds shine to my hair. It is really a good go-to product. Even sometimes I use this serum before blow dry. It controls frizz and gives your hair a soft and smooth look. After shampooing, I use this serum to detangle my hair. It is really very easy to detangle after using this serum. And also this serum smells really great. The main thing I like in this product is this serum is for all hair types. It does not feel greasy at all. This extraordinary hair oil from L'Oreal Paris has become a must-try in my hair care routine. The product also claims to prevent damage from sunlight, up to 98% less hair fall, and also protects hair up to 230 degrees, which is really great for humid weather, as it cuts, frizz and smoothens hair by 87%. Guys, by the way, if you have curls, this product is really good. And it is also great for people who have chemically treated or straightened hair. This product gives a lot of vitality and healthy look to your hair. For me, this serum is a wonder product and I totally recommend this product to everyone. It is best suitable for all hair types. Not only dry hair people, normal and oily hair people can also try this product. It doesn't feel greasy at all. And this serum is just 499 rupees, which is really affordable. This serum also lasts very long. It contains 100 ml of product. I have also given the buying link of this product in the description box. If you need, you can check that. So guys, this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum is really a good one. Overall, I like this serum. This is my experience with this product. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.